Hey guys, Crazy Corrupted here. So I'm playing this is part 3 now. So I'm here with my spicy tortillas with a hint of spicy quesito, favorite bite strike round. So now let's get started. Okay. Um. Wait. Uh huh. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Good, Kevin. Yeah. What the what? Why you have to do this, man? No. Yeah. Wayne will be depressed. But as Die Java is this kind of fast. The legs lost Java. I forgot your name. No. Die, girl. Come on, die. Go on, die. Die, die, die. Your legs are broken now. You meant leg, please? Alright. Whoa. You're obsessed with dolls, girl. Like seriously. The shoes are very nice though. Thank you, but I won't be taking that as weakness. Batman down. Yeah. No, you can't. So this guy can summon twice the amount of these. No wonder why you're a kid. That's unfair. No! Ah! Die! Die! I hate you, man!
I'm gonna use your shirt. You can keep playing. Ah.
Ah! Die! Die! I hate you!
Hey, yo, what?
I hate this. Why you have to do? Boy, you really getting on my nerves. Ha! Die! 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 Yeah, because you make it unfair. Boy, don't you get angry at me. Boy, what you gonna do? He's not putting missiles, I see. Okay. Boy! Jesus!
That was just weird.
What? I died. You know what that means. But, I don't know what will happen next. This man just killed me. For what somewhat reason? Alright. Okay, I'ma pause this. I'ma go into the game again. Okay, I just resetted the game right now. So we're gonna take a look into extras now. Like serious, I'm gonna look into extras. But these are busting. So yep, I'm able. Why won't this? Okay. Start with the intro. Sonic weapons. let's start. The music is busting. I'll give you time to pause and read this. Okay. Okay. So now let's look at behind the scenes. Okay. We'll let you pause this and read all of this. Express experience. The music is busting as well. Oh wow, these are old models, I see. Okay, I'll let you look through these. Wow, these are going busting over here. Let's look at jump scares now. So I think that's all the jump scares. And oh look, John is completely, the John that is completely really blind, and is that's blind. So, did you do this on purpose? Did you make him blind? Uh, well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching of the parts. If you haven't watched part 1 or part 2, I recommend you watching it now. So, bye.